Welcome back. The race against artificial intelligence continues for news organizations. Some of Canada's largest publishers are suing OpenAI for allegedly scraping information from its articles and repurposing them in ChatGPT without permission. Jason Gaidola explains.
Up to $20,000 per work is what a coalition of media companies are seeking in damages from an artificial intelligence giant over alleged copyright infringement and breach of contract terms online. News organizations that include CBC, Torstar, and Postmedia filed a lawsuit late yesterday with the Ontario Court of Justice against ChatGPT creator OpenAI. It claims it is using their news content to train its generative artificial intelligence system and convert it for profit without permission.
Depending on what you're looking at, owned works or total works, we're looking at a 16 million plus works overall. And so, really on any metric in our view, we're looking at potential damages in the billions.
OpenAI responded to CHCH News saying, "Our models are trained on publicly available data, grounded in fair use and related international copyright principles that are fair for creators and support innovation." The Trudeau government's Online News Act requires social media giants, Google and Meta, to pay news publishers to use their content. Meta pulled news from its platforms, while Google agreed to pay $100 million to Canadian news outlets.
So I think there's a precedent there that demonstrates that media organizations might have a path to success, but maybe what they're going to do is get some licensing rights. This is where I think the path is.
Ottawa previously declined to say whether the law will be applied to AI systems. When asked about it, the Office of Canada's Heritage Minister tells CHCH News they cannot comment on the matter due to it being before the courts. Canada currently does not have a regulatory framework specific to AI.
But on a Canadian basis, the federal government has introduced the AI and Data Act, and that is in the process of being kind of worked on and will ultimately become law, hopefully before the next election.